In this video, I will show you how to enable experience chat on Roblox. So if you want to enable your experience chats on Roblox, you want to be able to have direct chats and experience chats, then I'm going to show you how you can do this. And as you can see, I'm recording on a PC, but this works exactly the same on the app. So the flow is exactly the same. So you need to click on the settings icon at the top right, and on your phone it is in the More tab. And then you need to click on Settings. And then from here, you need to click on Privacy and Content Maturity. From here, you click on Communication. Click on Experience Chat, and in here we have the option to turn on our Experience Chat. And right now it is set to no one, and the direct chat is also set to no one. So if you want to change this and to enable this back again, we're going to put Experience Chat to everyone, and then our direct chat will also be available to put on everyone again. So right now we have put our Experience Chat to everyone, and our direct chat is also enabled. So this means that we can chat back again in experience servers, and then we can also chat one-on-one in the chat with experience servers as well. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.